Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your JuiceBox account for firmware and alerts, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your JuiceBox account for firmware updates and alerts, start by opening the JuiceBox app on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Log into your JuiceBox account using your email and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the Sign Up option. Enter your details in the registration form and submit. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Account or Profile section. Select the option for Authentication or Connected Devices. You may be prompted to enter your JuiceBox serial number. Find the serial number on the device itself or in your purchase documentation. Enter the serial number in the designated field and confirm. Next, check your email for an authentication link sent by JuiceBox. Open the email and click on the authentication link provided. This will direct you back to the JuiceBox app or website. If required, log in again after clicking the link. Return to the app settings and ensure that your account status shows as authenticated. Now, enable notifications for firmware updates and alerts. Adjust your notification preferences according to your needs. Save your settings to finalize the authentication process. You should now receive alerts and be able to perform firmware updates seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in the app or consult the JuiceBox support page. This completes the authentication process for your JuiceBox account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.